Hello Firebirds, I'm Anya Vasana and I'm here with Lucas Ho bringing you today's GP News. Today is November 7th, 2019. The weather for today is sunny. The current temperature is 60 degrees with a high of 82 degrees.
Today for lunch we're having chicken soft tacos, seasoned ranch beans, and fresh fruit.
In other GP News, the book fair will be open today from 7:45 to 3:30 p.m. Teachers, please remember to fill out wish lists and purchase any books you want. Book fair will be open only one more day. Friday hours are from 7:45 a.m. to 2 p.m. Thank you for your support.
And JHS is bringing back the canned food drive this year. Bring in non-perishable canned packaged food items between November 5th and November 14th. Please try to bring in substantial items such as peanut butter, pasta sauce, tuna, canned vegetables, and fruit, not tons of raw noodles. The winning homerooms in each grade band, K through 2nd, 3rd through 5th, and 6th through 8th, will win a treat. Please support our local community.
The joke of the day is, why did the little cookie cry? His mother had been away for so long.
That's all we have for announcements today. Have a thoughtful Thursday.
This is Anya Vasana and Lucas Ho signing off for GP News.